Say hello to the all-new AirDoctor 2500, the newest air purification machine in the AirDoctor lineup. Now, this one is a little bit different than the other air purification machines. How is it different? Well, let's dive on in. So welcome to Sid's Tips. Thank you so much for joining me. And I have been using AirDoctor now for a good couple of years. I've got the 3000, which is now the 3500, and the 5000, which is now the 5500, and they have the other models as well. This is very, very cool with what they have created here. A smaller compact unit, although when I took it out of the box, it was bigger than I thought. And what makes this different is not only is it a standalone unit, also on the back, you can put a bracket so you can hang it on the wall and get it out of your way. How cool is that? And by the way, they have a great video tutorial how to do that. So you'll have your bracket there. Now, the air purification machines are having a special sale right now, and you can check that out, as well as other ongoing lower pricing. On my referral link, by the way, which will be in the description as well as in the comment section, is better pricing than you can get through the corporate site. So be aware there as well, and that is a benefit to you. They did send me this unit, and look forward again diving in. And if you find this video of help, by the way, greatly appreciate a thumbs up. It helps the video. And if you're not a subscriber and finding it value, click that subscribe button and of course the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So I took this out of the box. I was like, wow, this thing is bigger than I thought it might be just looking at the photos. So this will give you a good idea there. It weighs around 18 pounds, so not too heavy. It doesn't really have, it does have a handle on the back, so you can easily pick that up from the back there. I don't think there's anything else you need to worry about, but so it's got a little lift there. Now, as far as the 2500, this one also comes with a remote control. Some of the other models now do have an app that you can control and get a lot of good information. This one just has the remote control, so be aware. It also takes 2 AAA batteries, which are not included, so you'll need that. And you'll also have the instruction sheet there. Now, with their air purification machines, they have a 3-layered system. With this one, and I'll show you, it's got a little knob out there on the side to help you open up the front cover. But you'll have here, you'll have your pre-filter, which can be vacuumed, by the way, and your carbon filter on the back, plus you have your HEPA filter as well. And there you go. So it's a nice 3-step system. And then on the inside there, you could see the machine. So let me share with you just a few specs, and then we'll dive in and I'll demo it to you. So there are grooves that the cover goes right into, snaps in place, and there you go. And it's a nice looking unit too. It kind of looks like a medical grade air purification machine, but I like it. And of course you got their logo there. So let me share some specs. Again, around 18 pounds. As far as air circulation, it does 420 square feet at 4 times an hour, 840 square feet 2 times an hour. This is good for like a children's playroom, if you got an office, maybe a garage. So you can put it into several rooms. If you got a small guest bedroom, this could be good too. Again, nice thing is you can have it as a standalone, or you can have it as something that you can hang on the wall. Just to show you on the bottom as well, it's standalone. They do have rubbered pieces on the bottom there. It keeps it from scratching the surface and also from slipping and sliding. Now, as far as the Cater rating, it's a 220. And as far as some other things, it captures contaminants 100 times smaller than HEPA standards. It removes 99% of tested bacteria and viruses, including SARS and CoV-2. It has the alert for changing the filter. This one will test how loud it is. It's got the air quality monitor, which when we turn it on, you'll see that there. I believe that's right there. Captures airborne particles as small as 0.003 microns in size. They have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so little risk, high reward. And as far as the contaminants that could affect you that it helps with is smoke, bacteria, viruses, pet dander, pollen, mold, and removes odors. So there you go. Now, again, we got the remote control. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in and we'll get it going for the first time. There is a sticker, by the way, which you'll wanna remove as well. And that just tells you, as far as for maximum effectiveness, run 24/7 in auto mode. And yes, I would recommend that. Also, when you do get it, there'll be some stickers that you peel off. And then the HEPA filter will be in a, the carbon filter will be in a bag, sealed up. And I have removed that, obviously. So that is just a few things to be aware of. And let me go ahead and plug it in. Now, you can control it by the panel, or again, you have, the remote control. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Now, when you turn it on, you'll notice it's red for the first time because it's going through the cycle, and it's gonna be louder when it first turns on, and then it's going to adjust. So red, then it's got this yellow, and then blue means that the air quality is good. You have, again, your power button here. You have your speed. You have your auto setting. You have your dim, your timer, your ionizer. And then over here, you have, which lets you know about replacing the filters. So that gives you that information. Now I'm gonna go ahead and raise the speed so we can see how loud it gets at the highest level. So this is level 1, level 2, and it does light up to show you as well what speed it's at. This is level 3 and level 4. So even level 4 is not too bad. You could just put it on auto and then it will adjust. So when the sensor goes on, it will adjust the need for speed. And this one is, it's actually really quiet. I barely even hear it. So this one, they've done a nice job to make it as far as the level, which you really don't hear, so which is great. So they have, if you're sensitive to sound, I think you'll do pretty well with it on the auto and the low if you're going to put this in a bedroom. You can also dim it, so you can just turn all the lights off, and then you'll see the dim would stay on for a minute, and then now you can see all the lights are off. You could turn those back on, and then you could also do a timer, and it shows you how many hours you want to do. So you could see you can have it go up to the 24 hours and leave it there, and then it goes back to off. So you can use the timer there, and then you can also turn on and off the ionizer if you are looking for that setting as well. So this is a really nice unit. This, again, perfect for the smaller rooms, office, bedroom, kitchen, smaller kitchen, garage. And what's great is you can get it out of the way and you can then just hang it on the wall. It does have a standard plug there, so you don't have to worry about any brick. So you'll have to keep in mind too, if you do hang it on the wall, how you'll need to figure out as far as the wiring for the plug and running that either behind the wall, or you can get a strip to cover that if that bothers you. So there you go. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, check out the website where you'll save more money than getting it through the corporate site. And of course, if you have any questions, do let me know. But I think AirDoctor did a really, really great job on this machine, and it looks good. And it's got, again, a great filtration system where you have the 3 levels. So I appreciate your time. We'll see you on the next one. Stay healthy and make sure to breathe good air, because that can all make the difference in your health and wellness. Take care.